In this lesson, we will take a look at acid-base reactions in water. To begin, we must define what acids and bases are. Now, there are many definitions used to describe acids and bases, but we'll be sticking with the Bronsted-Lowry definitions. Using the Bronsted-Lowry definitions, an acid is a substance that donates a proton, while a base is a substance that accepts a proton. In this instance, we use the word proton to describe a hydrogen atom without its electron. So since acids and bases are proton donors and acceptors, acid-base reactions are proton transfer reactions. These reactions are almost always taking place in water as aqueous solutions. We'll first take a look at an acid being dissolved in water. When an acid is dissolved, it dissociates, as all ionic compounds do, and donates its proton to H2O. This produces a hydronium ion and a negative ion. In this case, since water is accepting a proton from the acid, the water acts as a base. Both products can also be considered in regards to acids and bases. The negative ion is considered the conjugate base of our acid. The hydronium ion, on the other hand, is considered the conjugate acid of water. Bases being dissolved in water are very similar. When a base is dissolved, it accepts a proton from water, producing a hydroxide ion and a positive ion. In this case, since water donates a proton to our base, water acts as an acid. Thus, our positive ion is considered the conjugate acid of our base, while the hydroxide ion is considered the conjugate base of H2O. In all acid-base reactions, acids have a conjugate base, and bases have a conjugate acid.